I'm J.D. Pressman. At the controls of my answering service, Love Lines. My wires connect a network of high schools and the kids who go to them. That's how I know what's going on every minute because I've got lots of telephone wire and very big ears.
I don't take no for an answer, sweetheart. I take yes for an answer. Hey, watch it. I pity the man tells me how to drive.
Let's please have a full house. Y'all dig?
That must be sushi.
Love Lines, you're talking to the perfect person.
Hey, what's happening, baby? This is Cheech, man. Are you Lloyd Seibert's secretary? Hey, man, it is her, man.
Well, far out, man. Hey, can we talk to Lloyd, man?
I got work to do.